Prema from Indian Restaurants. Today's recipe we are making in the auto cook menu in the diet fry option paneer pakoda. So the recipe it's given already for this. So for the ingredients here I taken. So here 200 grams of paneer, 130 grams of as per recipe book, 130 grams of besan powder, 200 ml of water, 2 spoons of oil, salt to taste, chili powder, garam masala and haldi. See, first in the bowl I'll add a besan. So for this I'll add for the garam masala. As per your taste you can add it. Salt to taste. Little bit haldi. For the chili powder. So first we can mix this without flour. Then I'll add the water. See, while the time we'll grease the tawa. 1 spoon of oil. So here we'll use it for high grill rack with a multi-cook pan. So here we can select the category. This is on the diet fry 1/4 and start the button. So it's going to preheating part. So while the time, so this is batter is ready now here. So this we'll add a paneer pieces of this. Okay. See, the preheating is done now. We'll take it out. We'll place it on this. Keep inside. Close the door. Start. Stay for 6 minutes. See now it beeps. Once the beep, we'll take it off. Turn the pieces. We'll add 1 more spoon of oil. So last 2 seconds is there. Even paneer pakoda is ready. See, okay, your paneer pakoda is ready. Thank you.